What's up, everybody? It's your girl Brittany coming back at you with another video. Before we get into this, I'm gonna need y'all to hit that like button and subscribe with post notifications on so you can keep up with all the latest trending news and gossip going on in these social media streets. This is an update to Kastellio Vaughan'S story. If you haven't watched my previous video regarding his current situation, I suggest you do so before continuing this video. The link to the previous video is pinned in the comment section below. So since our last conversation on this topic, Kastellio's family was able to retain National Civil Rights Attorney Lee Merritt in efforts to secure emergency medical treatment and investigate allegations of neglect. Kastellio's sister Kassie made a post thanking everyone for their love and support, along with a statement from Merritt's law firm. The statement reads, September 23, 2022. Montgomery, Alabama attorney Lee Merritt has been retained by Kastellio Vaughan'S to investigate the conditions of his imprisonment in the state of Alabama. Mr. Vaughan is reported to have undergone surgery this past August to remove a portion of his intestines as a result of gunshot injuries sustained prior to being taken into the custody of the Alabama prison system. The Vaughan family believes Mr. Vaughan was immediately discharged from the hospital on the same day as his surgery and placed back into the general population at Elmore Correctional Facility. Due to inadequate facilities, abuse, and medical neglect, Vaughan's medical condition rapidly deteriorated. Vaughan is believed to have lost 75 pounds of body weight in less than a month. Vaughan's surgical scars were exposed to unsanitary conditions and were possibly infected. Vaughan's family began receiving disturbing images of his compromised condition and contacted Elmore's warden for help but was rebuffed. Vaughan's family made a public appeal for help, and Merritt law firm was contacted by several members of the community at large. Earlier today, Vaughan was transferred to Staton Correctional Facility in Montgomery, Alabama. Our attorneys are working to make direct contact with Mr. Vaughan, along with medical professionals that can evaluate his condition and make recommendations for the necessary and appropriate medical care. National Civil Rights Attorney Lee Merritt issued the following statement. Alabama state prisons have a duty to provide the appropriate medical care for Mr. Vaughan while he remains in their custody. Prisoners are entitled to the same basic human decency as all other citizens in our country. My office has begun working to ensure Mr. Vaughan receives the care his condition requires. We are also investigating whether or not agents of the state of Alabama violated their duty of care to Mr. Vaughan by allowing his medical condition to spiral to the point reflected in the images now circulating the web. As of today, Kassie and Kastellio's wife made a trip to Staton Correctional Facility to visit Kastellio. Kassie was denied visitation. However, visitation with his wife was approved. After Kassie was escorted out of the facility by 3 guards, she went live on Facebook updating everyone on what was going on.
Good morning, you all. So, I was scheduled to have a visit with my brother today. They told us to be here at 7 o'clock, me and his wife. We both came up here. I went through the process of getting searched. I gave them my ID. They ran me through the system. They gave me a ticket with my number on it and my name. And they told me that I was a relationship of his sister and Kastellio Vaughan. They told me what bed he was in and all of that. So when I get to the back where I'm getting searched and checked for COVID symptoms and all of that, everybody back there has an attitude. Everybody back there has an attitude, but I'm still being respectful. I'm still being nice and kind to everybody. So once I get back there, I go through the screening process. So when I go in the back, I get searched really hard. Like, I'm talking about, I'm searched all in my private area. They want me to take my bra off, show inside my panties and everything. Okay, so when I'm doing that, I was like, oh, okay. So his wife goes up. They don't do none of that to his wife. Nothing whatsoever like that. So I was like, okay, they just doing that to make sure I don't have no phone to take no picture of his health or anything like that. So after the fact of that, I was like, okay, let me just see what's going on. So they said they was transferring, they was going to transfer us to Kastellio Vaughan in the healthcare unit. So I was like, okay. So a guard comes in. They call his wife up. They talk to his wife. They take his wife outside. They get to talking to his wife. They say, oh, okay, she walks back in. I say, oh, okay, what went on? What they said that they didn't want to talk to me about. She said, I am so mad. I said, what's wrong? She said, She said that, she said, they basically saying you banned from their campus. They saying you cannot come on their campus. So I was like, what? I was like, I just got searched. I just got ID'd and everything. They said I was on the visitation list, so now I can't come on their campus. And she was like, no, you can't come on their campus. So I was like, okay. So 3 guards surround me and was like, okay, it's time for you to leave up off our campus. After you done searched me, ID'd me, and walked me through 4 or 5 gates that was locked to take me to the back and not tell me that I can't see my brother at all. So they come out here and they say, okay, you can't be on our campus at all. So now I'm outside of their campus. And so I'm like, oh, okay, so this is what I need everybody to do. Call Staton Correctional Facility right here. Call them right now and see why that I can't visit my brother when y'all have stated that I can see my brother. I was supposed to have visitation rights regarding my brother, and I'm on his list. I'm on his list. I didn't see my brother at all. At all. They all have attitudes. Yes. That's what I'm saying. So, okay, so if you go down this road right here, Elmore Correctional Facility is right here to the left. So it's literally right down this road. It's not even a minute down this road in this Staton right here, correctional facility where they transfer him in. So, I didn't see him at all. I don't know his status of his health or anything. Yes, that's what I'm saying. They mad because I done went to social media. When the lady went through my ID, she was like, "Oh, you Miss Vaughn." And so they asked me what I'm here for. I was like, "Okay, I'm here to visit Kastellio Vaughan'S." Once I said that, they gonna say, "Oh, okay, you here to visit Mr. Vaughn?" And I was like, "Yes." And then they was like, "Oh, okay, we'll get to you later." And they moved me to the side and got another people that was there. Yes, I already contacted my lawyer. He told me to let the general public know. So I really want everybody to come up here and we all have a protest. That's what I want.
Their phone number is 334-567-2221. 334-567-2221. Somebody put it in the comments so she can pin it.
And they got 3 guards to walk me all the way to the car. And I wasn't disruptive or anything. So I'm just like, okay, y'all are just profiling me as this person because I went media about y'all.
They didn't let us get...
Weird. They weird. Yes, I am, and I'm talking about I'm very respectful. I'm very respectable towards them and everything. And now they saying, "Oh, you can't visit your brother," so I couldn't see him at all.
They told us we were able to visit our brother today, and they even checked in. We don't need to say they checked you.
That's the number. I'm finna post the number on Facebook, and I want everybody to call the number and demand why I can't come and see my brother when I'm on his visitation rights. They say I'm not allowed on their campus, so I had to move outside of their campus.
And ask them why they're not allowed us visitation after being told we were able to visit him today. They even checked my sister.
334-567-2221. Yes, I want to have a protest up here now. Cause what they doing is they playing like a mind game. So they want to get me mad so I can do something so I can react to what they're doing. But I'm not gonna react. I'm simply gonna let y'all have it, and then we'll see what y'all be at. Was the wife able to see him? Did his wife see him? Yes, his wife is in there right now. So I don't know how long the visit is, but when she comes out, she'll update me on his status. Yes, the prison that they transfer him to is acting the same way. They not getting him no help. No, they're not helping him with his health. He said he hasn't taken a bath in 11 days now. They haven't gave him no toothbrush to brush his teeth. He doesn't have any clothes on. His wounds is still exposed. His body is still frail and fragile. His body is still protruding out of his body. So please make it make sense at this point. He wasn't moved here today. He was moved here. I don't know exactly what. I just want everybody to start blowing their line up, Staton Correctional Facility, and start calling them and asking them, why can't his sister, Kastellio Vaughan'S, see him? Because y'all profiling me because of the simple fact that I went to the media about you all. And I didn't even go to the media about Staton. I went to the media about Elmore Correctional Facility. But since that it's then got so worldwide and so much media is involved, y'all don't want me to see him. They don't have to answer the phone. They probably not gonna answer the phone, actually, y'all, because they know that I'm finna go. They already know. They already know. Cause I asked them and I was like, why can't I see him? And they was like, that's our business. It's no reason. They say it's our business. It's no reason. Now you can get off our campus. Okay. They can hang up all they want. They can hang up. I am letting my lawyer handle. I'm doing everything that my lawyer told me to do. Why didn't they tell you that on the phone? Exactly. I had a scheduled visitation with my brother at 7 this morning. Okay, y'all. Just keep on calling. Keep on calling. I'm gonna try to get with my lawyer and see about a protest up here tomorrow. I see a lot of guards. Walking that. So I hope they ain't trying to come out here. Stop saying Staton. It's Staton.
Staton. Why do I keep saying Staton? Staton.
My lawyer is making his way down here.
But everybody, please call the Staton Correctional Facility to them. Fuck the shit. Just fuck the shit. You keep fucking looking at me. Do I keep doing that when you trying to make a fucking video? Hell no.
Okay, let me show y'all. Hold on. I am being humble. That's the point. I'm not finna keep being humble when you sit here violate my rights and my brother's rights. I'm not. I'm sorry. I'm not. I'm being respectable towards y'all. Y'all don't want me to see him.
Go ahead, go.
They can come. They can come. What they gonna say? I couldn't record them because I was in the back. I can't have a phone when I'm visiting him. My phone was still in the car. And the guards just basically laughing, being very disrespectful towards me and all of that. Once they knew that my name was Kassie, I'm just like, dang, like y'all treat me like... You can take your local news, yes. They ain't walking out here no more, but I thought they was. I am in the road. I can't be on their campus. That is their campus right there. I can't be on their campus. But I was on their campus. I walked all the way. When I went in, I'm very respectful. I'm like, hey there, how are you doing? Good morning. They was like, okay, we need your ID. Gave them my ID. They got my ID. They ran my name. They printed me a slip of paper that basically says, inmate Kastellio Vaughan, what bed he is in the infirmary, part of the prison. They also said they just rolling their eyes. One of the employees just rolled their eyes at me that just drove by right there. But I don't care. But when I went through there, she basically was like, okay, when I got my slip of paper with his name and things on there, I was like, okay. So we get them moving. Went past by 5 gates. Now, mind you, the gates got locks on it. So they could have stopped me at any time and be like, oh, Miss Vaughan, you're not on here. So basically, you gave me the okay as, okay, you can go through there. But I went all the way through, signed this little paper talking about COVID, tuberculosis, and stuff like this. Signed this little paper. I made sure to read over it. Went through there, I checked my temperature, and then I went in this room. Now, this search that I had, I'm talking about, they made me step out my shoes. That's normal. Made me pop my bra. That's normal. She wanted me to take my bra off. Then she wanted me to take my panties off. She touching everywhere, all in my privacy space. Okay, I understand, search. I done went through a metal detector. Clearly, I don't have anything. So I'm guessing they trying to see if I had a phone or anything on me to try to sneak into the prison so I can get a picture of my brother or something like that in regarding that matter. So I was like, okay. When I went out the room and I was standing to the side, they said that they was going to get somebody to transfer us to the healthcare unit. So a guard walks in. He grabs my brother's wife. He says, "Oh, hey there, how are you doing? Can I talk to you?" He walks out of the prison gate that the last door we came in, walk out of there with her, and she comes in about 2 minutes later. She says, "I'm so mad." I said, "What's wrong?" She said, "They basically saying you're not allowed to visit your brother and you banned from their campus." I said, "Why?" They just told me that I was on the visitation list. I had a visit with him today. And so the man, he didn't even have the respect enough to be like, "Oh, okay, Miss Vaughn, they not allowing you to see him. I don't know why, but you'll have to contact my warden and she'll be in on Monday." Yada yada. He couldn't say that to me. He had to tell her. So they walk in, all these guards walk in like I'm just finna get disruptive or something. So I was just like, okay, and I was like, "What is the reason?" They was like, it's no reason. It's no reason. You can get out. You can get off our campus. Good day. And I was like, "Oh, okay." So when I'm going out of the prison, I'm trying to open the door, which is locked, but I'm waiting on her to buzz the door. So she buzzed it. I heard it buzz. I twisted the door. She was like, "All you got to do is turn the knob, smart." And she rolling her eyes and everything. So I was like, "Oh, okay." Whatever. So when I was standing over there by the wall, another guard had came up to me and she was like, "Who you is?" And I was like, "Kassie Vaughn." She was like, "Who are you here to see?" And I said Kastellio Vaughan'S. She was like, "Oh, we'll get to you later." And she moved me and went to the next person. Yes, the wife is in there seeing him, but she hasn't came out yet. So basically, they won't let me see my brother because of the situation at hand, of the media involved and all of that. Yes, that's what I want. Everybody to come down here as a community, as many folks. I'm finna get with my lawyers right now, Castellio lawyers, and see about having a protest. This is Staton Correctional Facility right here, and they go all the way back over here. So this main road, if you go down this main road, not even a minute down, it's Elmore Correctional Facility. The facility that he was in, looking in that state. Yes, my lawyer is trying to request a visit with him now. So right now, I don't know why y'all taking CNN. They don't care. Just has to make sure your brother's still alive, baby girl. His wife is in there right now seeing him. So, I'm thinking he alive because she's in there seeing him. But I don't know the condition of his health. Me and her come to the visits all the time. We visit my brother last July the 24th when we came together. They had no problem. But now the media involved, I'm not on the list and I'm banned from Staton Correctional Facility campus. And I didn't get disruptive or anything. They don't have me on a camera. No witnesses or nothing. I didn't get loud. I didn't get disrespectful. So I'm just trying to see, why can I see my brother? Because of the media involved.
And then what's so crazy? If y'all knew she wasn't gonna be allowed on the premises, why y'all search her?
What you say? Why you let me in there? I gave you my ID. This is the accurate ID.
You have to run me through the system, walk me all the way over there, to search me, and then not let me in.
Yes.
Well, hell no.
So I'm finna make a post, and I want y'all to get the calling because they still don't have a care. Who?
The guard.
Baby, I don't care about him. I don't care. Yes, I want. If you in this area, I'm from Mobile, Alabama. If you in this area, we want to have a protest tomorrow. I don't know what time, but I will post the flyer on Facebook. I don't know if y'all can call in to work. Everybody needs to show up and show out for Kastellio Vaughan'S because this don't make no sense.
Right,
this don't make no sense. I appreciate that so much. They don't care about the inmates at all. My brother's still not getting help at this facility. He needs to be in a free world hospital.
We see him in a wheelchair.
They acting like you took some pictures. Somebody sent that to you. Yes.
And then it wasn't even this facility. It was Elmore.
Rashad Richie is already involved.
Today not cash visitation that goes. This what all the folks inboxing me.
Visitation day is the last Sunday of each month.
The last Sunday of each month.
They can lie all they want. They can lie all they want, baby. Let them lie. Let them lie. Baby, we got the honest truth. What we came up here for? To stand outside the prison?
They told us we gonna be able to visit today. He was gonna be able to have visitors. We get up here, y'all search her just for y'all to turn us around. Hell no.
She said, they said, I just called a lady answer, and she said she wouldn't tell me her name, but she said only wife and parents can visit. She was very rude. First of all, no, that's not accurate. That's not accurate at all. It's whoever Kastellio put on his visitation list. Y'all, Kastellio Vaughan has obtained my social security number to put me through the system so they can run a background check and make sure that I'm not nobody of harm or nobody of a character, so that I can be able to come and visit him. So therefore, me and his wife is on his visitation list. I don't know who else is on the visitation list, but I will see my brother. I don't care what they say. I will see him with the lawyer present or anything. Okay, let her answer the phone. Let her answer the phone. They didn't kick me off the campus now, but when I go back in, when I go back in there, I want all of them to roll their eyes, keep doing exactly what they doing when my lawyer come up and down. Don't try to be nice. Don't try to be, oh, okay, you're Miss Vaughn. Girl, you got the, no, don't, please don't say that. Please don't. I'm just trying to see why you searched me, why you ran my ID. You took my ID until I came back out. You gave me a visitor pass and all that, but now I'm not able to see Kastellio Vaughan. You didn't even give me a reason. You didn't give me a reason why I can't see him. I came up here because y'all told me that I was going to be able to see my brother. Okay, you all, I'm finna get off here and I'm about to post the number, and don't let up on them. Don't let up on them at all.
334.
I'm about to post it.
334-567-2221. 334-567-2221.
Yes, they moved him to another facility, but this is Staton Correctional Facility. They have a healthcare ward, so he is in the healthcare ward here, but he is still not receiving any treatment regarding his health. Okay, so this road down here is literally like not 1 minute or down the street. It's sitting right outside. It's sitting like right to the right-hand side of the road, Elmore Correctional Facility, and this is Staton Correctional Facility.
After Kastellio had visitation with his wife, she updated Kassie on his condition, and this is what Kassie relayed to the public about Kastellio's health. His normal weight is 200. He is 100 pounds. He is frail and weak. His health doesn't seem to be improving. Kastellio stated that he is hurting and in pain. His hygiene is horrible. They have not gave him a toothbrush to brush his teeth. He has not had a bath since he was transferred to this facility. The scar on his stomach has opened up. Pus and blood is coming out of his wound. He was very delirious. He cried because I was not able to come in and visit him. He was rolled in a wheelchair. His leg and foot is very swollen and discolored. His foot feels like putty. The uniform he had on was dirty with blood stains from his wounds. He looks so bad, and Kastellio said they are not helping him at all. His fingers look like noodles. He is not recognized as Kastellio in this state. His face is caved in. The mask he wore could not stay on his face. We want medical help for Kastellio Vaughan. This is what his wife has stated to me after the visit. I ask for you all's prayers and to share this. #Justice for Kastellio Vaughan. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this down in the comment section below. If you or anyone you know has been through anything like this, feel free to share those stories down in the comment section as well. If you appreciate this content, please give the video a like, and I will talk to you in my next video.